Have you forgotten your Windows account password and don't know what to do? Don't worry, the solution is in your hands now. In this video, you will learn a smart and quick way to regain access to your device, without the need for programs or reinstalling the system. Follow the step-by-step explanation to discover the secret. Welcome to Valley 4 Tech's channel. I am Mostafa, and in this video I will explain to you how to change your account password on Windows if you forgot it, using a simple and effective method. We will start by entering the repair tools, then execute some easy commands, and finally we will be able to regain control of your account with completely safe steps. Follow me until the end and do not miss any step. Before we get started, here's an important note. Use these steps only to restore your personal device. The first step we will take is, restart the computer. But while holding down the Shift key on the keyboard, while clicking on the Restart button. Wait a little while until the Repair Tools screen appears. The Options screen will appear. Choose the Troubleshoot option from it. Then from the next screen, choose the Advanced Options option. Then from the next screen, choose the Command Prompt option. Once the command prompt is open, type the following commands, one by one. First command, C. This command specifies the partition, drive, that contains the Windows operating system. Second command, dar. This command displays a list of files and folders in the current partition or path. We want to access the Windows /System32 path in this partition. Third command, cd Windows /System32. This command takes you to the System32 folder, which is located inside the Windows folder. The fourth command, run utilman.exe, utilman.exe.old. This command renames the utilman.exe file to utilman.exe.old. The purpose of this is to disable the original utilman.exe file, responsible for accessibility tools, so that it can be temporarily replaced with another file, as in the next step. The fifth command, copy, command exe, utilman.exe. This command copies the command exe file, command prompt, and renames it to utilman.exe. The Accessibility button on the login screen will launch the command prompt instead of the accessibility tools. This is the most important part of the trick, as you can access the command prompt without having to log in. The last command, exit. This command closes the command prompt window and returns you to the System Restore options screen. Now, select the Continue option to resume the Windows restart process. Now, click on the accessibility icon at the bottom of the screen. The command prompt window will open again. Type the following command. Control, user passwords 2. The user management window will appear. Select the username for which you want to change the password, then select the Reset Password option to set a new password for it. Type the new password, then retype it again, and finally click the OK button. Click the OK button again, then close the command prompt window. Now log into your account, using the new password you just created. And that's it. You have regained access to your device easily, and without the need for any external programs. Now, it is important to rename utilman.exe.old to utilman.exe, to restore the original accessibility tools function. If you liked the video and benefited from it, do not forget to support us by liking, subscribing to the channel, and activating the bell to receive all that is new. See you in upcoming videos with more tricks and technical tips.